single-seater city cruiser is where I'm right now, in the Formnext. And what exactly in this is 3D printed? Well, Tilo over here can give us a proper answer, can't you, Tilo?
Of course I can. Nice meeting you here. At Formnext, this car is actually not 3D printed, but what we're doing at the Innovation Campus Future Mobility is working on, for instance, electrical motors, where parts of an electrical motor can be 3D printed in order to have cooling channels of this transverse flux machine. You can optimize an electrical motor, and of course a lot of people will not recognize that it's part of an electrical motor. So here we have a dummy motor of an electrical transverse flux machine. Of course this is usually closed, but still at least now you can see this part is part of a bigger motor.
Well, thank you, Tilo, for that detailed explanation. And this is how, ladies and gentlemen, everything small becomes part of a bigger picture. So, see more of us at Formnext and come visit Tilo. He's a nice guy.